with me Sandia Jayanti. Today's topic is about parts of plant. Friends, could you help me to name a part of plant? Ada yang bisa menyebutkan salah satu bagian dari tanaman? Ya, kamu. Correct! Stem. Stem atau batang adalah salah satu bagian dari tanaman. Selain batang, ada juga loh akar, daun, buah, ataupun bagian-bagian lainnya. Today, we are going to explore more about what parts of plants and also what do plants need. Teman-teman yang di rumah sudah siap? Yang di studio sudah siap? Oke, Miss Desi, let's begin.
Thank you, Sandia. Welcome back to English lesson with me, Miss Desi. How are you guys today?
I'm fine.
Very good, thank you. Today I have an interesting topic. If you see, on my table there are many kinds of plants. Let's talk about part of a plant. We will start with the plants. What are plants? So plants are living organisms that are able to produce their own food through the photosynthesis. They grow from the soil and use the sun's energy to produce the food. They come in a wide variety in the shapes, sizes, and also the colors. They provide the food and oxygen for many other living things. Like when you are nearby the plants, you can really breathe well because they provide the oxygen for us to breathe. Every part of the plant serves an important purposes. We will start with the different part of a plant. The first one, we'll talk about the roots. What is roots? Anyone knows? Roots. Yeah, roots are often found below the surface of the soil or underground. It anchors the plant in the ground. And then roots absorb the water and the nutrients, water, minerals from the soil. Jadi fungsinya akar terhadap tanaman adalah untuk membuat tanaman itu bisa berdiri tegap. Selain itu, dia yang menyerap mineral, kemudian juga menyerap air dari bawah tanah, ya, dan menyebarkannya ke seluruh bagian tanaman tersebut. I think I need one volunteer to read this one. Anyone can help me? Yes.
My name is Asila.
Okay.
It stands for leosfen and flowers. It allows food and water to go around the plant.
Okay, so the stem itu batang that support the leaves, ya, and the flowers that allows the food and water to grow in the plant. Okay, thank you, Asila. We'll continue with the leaves atau daun. If you see, I have kind of leaves here, ya. Leaves are flat and thin structure attached to the stem of a plant, and they produce food for the plant to grow through the photosynthesis. Jadi mereka bisa menciptakan makanannya sendiri. Itu disebut dengan photosynthesis. Yes. They also help to regulate the exchange of gases with the surroundings. Most of the leaves are green in the color. Banyakan warna daun adalah hijau, tapi bukan berarti semua berwarna hijau. Oke, Miss lanjut. With the flower now, anyone can help me for reading this one? Okay. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Cinta.
Cinta, help me please.
The flower is considered the most attractive part of the plant.
Thank you, Cinta.
You're welcome.
Okay, so flowers are characterized by their colorful petals. If you see, there are a lot of color, ya, of the flowers. Banyak macam warna untuk bunga, ya kan? They attract pollinators like insect and birds that help in the transfer of the pollens from the one flower to another. Okay, this transfer of the pollens leads to seed production. Okay, the next is fruit. Fruits is a part of the flowering plant. It contains the seeds of the plants. And the seed is also a part of plant. Yeah, a seed is a part that can grow into a new plant. Jadi, if you see the seed, it can be grow for a new plant. And then most of the plants reproduce by the seed. So what do plants need? They need the light because plants need to do the photosynthesis like what I mentioned before. They produce the food by the light. They also need the water, of course, because water carries essential nutrients from the soil to the plant. And they need the air. Plants need the air to breathe. They need oxygen to exchange the food into the energy. And of course, they need the space to grow. Yeah? Plants' roots and leaves need the space so they can spread, yeah, like the roots, they can be spreaded and absorb the water and nutrients. Plants also need the nutrients. Nutrients are substances that help plants to grow and then stay healthy. Now let's review. Are you ready, guys?
Ready!
Okay, good. The first questions. What part of the plant that uses sun to make its food? Anyone can help me? Yes, what's your name?
My name is Grace.
Grace, please.
Leaf mist.
Leaves. So you think the answer is leaves. What do you think, guys? Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Yes. This is the part of the plants that can produce their own food using the sun's energy. Next questions. Students at home, please help me to read this and answer it by yourself, okay? Which part is considered the most attractive part of the plant? Okay. What is your answer? Flower. Let's check. Correct. That's the flower. Let's go to the next part. I think for this part, I also need the students at home to answer and rate. The question is, it allows the food and water to grow, to go around the plants, and it supports leaves and flowers. Which part of the plant is it? Yes? Very good. STEM. Okay. Now I need you guys to answer for this part. Who can help me? Anyone? I need you. Okay, I will read the questions. Which part of the plant that can grow into a new plant? What do you think the answer is?
The answer is seeds.
Seeds. Okay, let's check. Very good. Give applause. Okay, I think I still have the last questions. It is usually underground. It anchors the plant in the ground. It absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. What is it? What do you think the answer? Roots. Roots? Do you think the answer is root?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, very good. Give applause for everyone. All right, so that's all about the parts of a plant. I still have another activity. Please stay tuned. Go back to Sandia.
Wah, teman-teman, ini juga bagian dari tumbuhan loh. Ada biji apel. Keren banget ya. Gimana, teman-teman sudah paham kan tentang parts of plant? Next, we will be learning about parts of speech, specifically about adverbs. Teman-teman sudah siap? Don't go anywhere. Belajar bersama will be back.